In this video, we are going to discuss about the left function and the search function. So I have very good example for this left function. Okay, I simply go to the calendar table. So in the calendar table, you can see the day name, month and month name. So I only want the three characters of each month from the month name. Okay, so once we create the new column, so I'll go for the new column and we will create, we will extract only three character from the month name. So once we create, I'll explain later on why we are doing this. So I'll just simply write down over here short month. Okay, is equals to, okay, left for sure. So what we want? Three characters from month name. Simply write down month name. I got this, and comma 3. Press enter. See, we got the three characters. Why we are doing this? So because you may ask why we are creating short name. So the larger name can acquire more space on canvas. So if you check the canvas, we have very short canvas. If we use a larger name, it will acquire a more space on the canvas and it will be like a hodgepodge on the canvas. So that's why we are keeping the short name. So later on it will help us to for a more detailing on the canvas. If you keep the January like 7 characters, it will take a more space. Instead of January, we will keep a Jan. Okay. So next function we will discuss about the search, how the search works. So for that purpose, we'll go to the customers table. See, so we will deals with the dynamic characters. If we have a dynamic character, how we can deal with the dynamic character? Because see, the Shannon 7 characters are there, 7 to 9 characters are there. Again, in different mail ID, 4 to 5 characters are there. So only using the left function are we able to create the only left side of that particular character. No, it is not possible. Let's understand how we can deals with the dynamic character so we can get the exact value. So you can see the we have the column we had created, I guess. No, so let's create it. No issues. Okay, let's go to the new column. Okay, so what we want, the only the character which is on the left hand side of the at the rate. Okay, for that purpose we will have to write down the dax user name is equals to left for sure, then email. We are going to extract, see, the text from where we are going to take the text. Email address is the column, so just write down the email. You got the email address, right? Then comma. So only taking the email address, are we going to fulfill our requirement? No. Here the magic of search function comes. Search will gives you the exact position, right? Search, see, under the search returns the starting position of one text string within the another text string. Search is not case sensitive, so it is not case sensitive. Instead of search you can go with the find, but find function is a case sensitive. That's why we are using the search function. So search gives you the exact location. So what is our location is at the rate, right? Before the at the rate we need all the characters from that particular text, right? Double quoted at the rate, double quote, comma, from email. and I am just completing. See, we got the username. But here we have one more problem, that we don't want at the rate. For that purpose, that means how many character is taken? The at the rate. We need to minus that particular, that at the rate. So just simply minus 1. So let me see. I had to take that minus 1 inside the bracket, right? Because we have written the search function over here. So after the search function, you have to do the minus 1 and at the rate. Sometimes you may have a 2 character, at the time you can write down the minus 2 function or a minus 2 over here. So then you will get your perfect characters, right? I hope you got the search function and the left function. So simple.